Alright, what's going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. So I'm here with my buddy Frank right there in the background. We're going to be doing some aerations here with the Classen stand-on aerator, as well as the walk-behind, which he is using. So anyway, guys, we're here on a fairly large property. Not too big a front yard, but the backyard is of good size. So I'm gonna hop on the stand-on aerator and I'm gonna tell you guys what I think about it. Here we go.
too dark. They need to make a light for this. You know what would be awesome?
What?
If that aerator had a seating attachment.
Right.
I don't know. Maybe. Maybe.
You want me to bring the bag?
Yeah, if you don't mind. It's Caleb Plus. This bag of gifts.
See, I don't even think of things like that. My brain doesn't even go there.
What?
I'm just too serious. I don't even think of
You gotta have fun, man. Work is about fun. Is this thing on? We're having fun. All right, let's get recording. You're working. You love what you do, Caleb?
Yeah, that's right.
You love it?
I do.
You're like Santa with these seeds.
Yeah.
Santa Caleb over here.
Oh my word.
Work's gotta be work, but you gotta have fun when you work. You gotta enjoy it. It's too serious.
See, I'm used to working by myself, guys, so I don't have anyone to bounce things off of, so.
Caleb's gotta learn, part of this industry is it's an art, man. Art is fun, not serious.
You know, I don't look at it as art.
You have to look at it as art, why not?
I look at it as, I don't even know.
You should look at it as art. Look at this.
I don't know what it's called. I don't know what to classify it as.
This is music. Alright? It's like making music. Making music, making art.
Oh my word. That's body neck.
That's fun. It's not good, that's for sure. So we just see it a little bit more. That's fun, man. Laugh, make jokes.
If I would have known, I would have brought my spreader.
Huh?
If I would have known, I would have brought my Earthway.
What are you trying to say? My Lesko's no good?
No, I'm trying to say I would have could have spread you along.
Also true. I was gonna say, could you, there's a dirt rake in there?
Yeah.
The blue one?
Yeah.
Could you scrape up the mud? You don't like part? See, that's not the fun part
I
of
don't
it.
like the mud.
Cleaning, man, you gotta leave a good impression.
Oh, absolutely. I'm totally with you on that.
I didn't say you had to like cleaning, but you gotta clean up.
Darken up when you start.
Look at that. He's on fire, this kid.
You call me a kid?
Huh?
You call me a kid?
You're like my little protege.
No, no more light. Alright guys, you see this? This is junkyard right here.
Hey, not junkyard.
Hey, this looks familiar, guys, don't you say? Yeah, it's my push blower right there. Self-propelled, no, that's a little bit better.
This is like yours?
Yeah, that's, yep. It's like the turf tracer.
That's my junkyard turf tracer. But
It's got Kawasaki. I can't make fun of that at all.
This thumb grinder is my old aerator.
Yeah.
Whatever you do, no offense to Bluebird, but don't ever buy a Bluebird.
Really?
Because those are the worst. I think actually Husqvarna has them now too. Don't let them see my secret garage.
Working late, guys, to make that green. Frank's always got the jokes, man. Not about that life.
You're not?
No, I'm not.
Why? You look like you like to laugh.
I do. And if, with a good stand-up comedian, oh yeah.
What are you trying to say? You saw my bit.
I did see your bit. He went to a little stand-up comedy, and the guy called him up on stage, and he found out he was a landscaper, and he that went off on a whole rabbit trail, and it was pretty funny.
You never want to go down that trail.
No.
Do you know what Delta stands for?
Yeah, there's a good one for you.
Yeah.
No.
Don't expect luggage to arrive.
Ha! And you said you don't like jokes.
That was from a comedian we went to on a cruise.
Yeah, have you ever been on a cruise?
I have not.
Oh, you gotta go. They're the best vacation I've ever been on.
Alright, cool. Next time you go, make sure you do it. I'll be free entertainment.
Santa here.
What's up?
You know it's only a couple months away.
Stop it. Don't. The Halloween's not even here yet.
I know, and then don't forget Thanksgiving. That's always the forgotten one.
Thanksgiving?
Yes.
You gotta
No, I
count
don't
your
think I could
blessings.
I don't think I could forget Thanksgiving.
Yep.
The best food.
That's no joke there. Alright guys, so I'm here with my buddy Frank Proprato. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it.
Proprato.
Close enough.
What do you close enough? You added an R that doesn't belong there.
Anyway, we just finishing up doing some aerating and hanging
out with Caleb Robrin. See? It's not this, you don't like it when there's an extra R.
And guys, so you have anything to tell the folks?
Not really.
Of course not. He'll echo the same thing I'm going to, and that's guys, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and do some work, and not just talk to the camera like I'm doing.
Get in there, get dirty, have fun, and then don't be afraid to ask someone
when you don't know.
When you don't know. Nobody owns information.
That's
so
right.
Keep looking for someone, and then the right person will show up. And
yep, that's for sure.
We're all in this together, so there's plenty of work out there.
And there's plenty of work, that's for sure.
If you want to work.
Yes.
Caleb likes to be on camera. Some people like to work.
Hey.
I'm sure we'll have some more fun this I guess coming weeks.
Yeah.
I was gonna do some more aerations.
Okay, yeah, we're going to be doing some more aerations, and then also couple weeks him and I we going to the GIE, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be awesome.
We'll be hanging out with the guys from Schiller too out there.
Okay, yeah, they're gonna be there.
They're gonna be there. They asked us to hang out with the booth, so it should be fun.
Yes. So guys, make sure you stay tuned and like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you guys do subscribe because you don't want to miss anything. And this guy subscribed too, so he's not missing anything. So
subscribe to what?
It's my channel.
No.
To what? All right, thanks again so much for watching, and
this is my first time on YouTube too, so hope you enjoy.
And have a good rest of your day. Take care. We'll see you later.